Forget everything you thought you knew about truck manufacturing. The Tesla Cybertruck is here, and it's built unlike any vehicle before it. But how do they create this revolutionary machine? In modern industry, there emerged a figure whose ambition knew no bounds. Elon Musk. In the early 2000s, Musk embarked on a quest to transform transportation and energy, co-founding Tesla in 2003. He sought to redefine the automotive landscape with electric vehicles, facing doubters and challenges along the way. Simultaneously, Musk's fascination with space exploration led him to establish SpaceX in 2002, envisioning a future where humanity could inhabit other planets. Through daring missions, such as launching reusable rockets and sending astronauts to space, Musk pushed the boundaries of possibility. Despite adversity, Musk's unwavering determination and innovative spirit propelled Tesla and SpaceX to unprecedented heights, reshaping industries and inspiring millions globally. His saga continues, driven by an unyielding commitment to progress and a vision of a brighter tomorrow. Now, in this video, we will talk about how Tesla has emerged as a trailblazer, pushing the boundaries of innovation and redefining traditional processes. A recent presentation sheds light on Tesla's groundbreaking approach to manufacturing, particularly focusing on the production of the Cybertruck. The presentation unveils Tesla's introduction of a state-of-the-art laser blanking line, a first of its kind in the industry. With the capability to cut materials with up to 30 microns of precision, this innovation signifies a significant leap forward in manufacturing technology. Tesla's emphasis on precision underscores its dedication to producing vehicles of unparalleled quality. One of the most remarkable aspects highlighted in the presentation is Tesla's impressive utilization rates, boasting an astonishing 80% utilization of materials. This achievement speaks volumes about Tesla's commitment to maximizing resource efficiency and minimizing waste, a feat that sets a new standard in sustainable manufacturing practices. This sheds light on Tesla's transparent approach to manufacturing, exemplified by the company's decision to grant complete access to industry experts such as Sandy Monroe and his team. This unprecedented level of openness reflects Tesla's confidence in its manufacturing processes and its willingness to share knowledge for the greater advancement of the industry. Tesla's meticulous attention to detail is evident in its handling of materials, including stainless steel stamping without coating and the use of aluminum bronze, a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of excellence. By challenging conventional wisdom and exploring new materials and techniques, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in automotive manufacturing. Tesla's relentless pursuit of optimization, from tight nesting to tuning coils to specific parts, all aimed at maximizing material usage and minimizing waste, is its major edge among all the competitors in this fast-growing vehicle manufacturing industry. This focus on efficiency not only reduces environmental impact, but also contributes to the company's bottom line, highlighting the synergies between sustainability and profitability. Quality control is another area where Tesla excels, with rigorous checks and measures in place to ensure the highest standards of craftsmanship. The use of advanced technology such as 2D light scanners enables precise inspection of parts, further enhancing the overall quality and reliability of Tesla vehicles. If you like this video, please remember to show some support by clicking the like button, dropping a comment, and subscribing to our channel. We're all in this together to win the world of finance. So let's keep the ball rolling. Now, let's continue. But Tesla doesn't stop there. They've developed a groundbreaking method for forming stainless steel using aluminum bronze coating. This innovative approach not only ensures the Cybertruck's body is ultra strong, but also lightweight and dent resistant. A true testament to Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive manufacturing. The result? A beast of a machine, clad in stainless steel armor, ready to conquer the roads of tomorrow. But Tesla isn't just building a truck, they're building a movement. And with their unwavering confidence in their ability to scale production to meet the sky-high demand, the future looks brighter than ever for the Cybertruck and the world of electric vehicles. The Cybertruck. More than just a truck, it's a symbol of innovation, resilience, and the limitless potential of human ingenuity. And it's only just getting started. Moreover, Tesla stands out from traditional automakers with its transparent approach to manufacturing. This transparency includes providing access to industry experts like Sandy Monroe and actively engaging with customer feedback. Such openness not only builds trust with customers but also sets a precedent for transparency in the industry. Tesla's innovation extends beyond production, incorporating customer feedback into iterative design processes. This customer-centric approach reflects Tesla's dedication to exceeding market expectations and continuously improving its production. So let's take a look at the amazing observation of Sandy Monroe on Tesla's Cybertrucks. To better view the capabilities of Tesla, he was known far and wide for his keen eye and insightful observations in the realm of manufacturing and innovation. With its elfin construction and cutting-edge design, Sandy could not help admiring the engineering and manufacturing capabilities of Tesla when he inspected Cybertruck. Amazed at the precision and architectural aesthetics of literally everything in the crew module, he felt proud to be part of the program. It was its exoskeleton that projected a cutting-edge image, and the electric drivetrain seemed to be a breakthrough in automobile technology, which may represent the start of a new age in automotive industry. As a contrast, the awe of Sandy for the Cybertruck extended far above its technical prowess. He realized that it was not only about the company itself, but also the overall industry that would be impacted by the change. With big design and innovative capabilities in terms of performance and outlook, this new truck could change the very brick, mortar, and until now standard, uniform idea of what a truck should be. Sandy thought it possible for Cybertruck to not only be the favorite vehicle of truck lovers, but as well as attract the collection of people who have more knowledge about technology, and is one of those people. Even though he was thrilled, Sandy wouldn't let go of the hunches. He wondered whether the other automakers might collapse and not promote development of the gas engine improvements, just following the Tesla invention level of innovation. Even if some companies had achievements in electromobility, nobody was so daring, amazing, and as special as Tesla becoming today. The only concern in Sandy's head was if other manufacturers could break the ice and follow Tesla's path. They would otherwise find themselves engulfed in the whirlpool of Tesla's fast progress. Thus, Sandy felt that the future of the automotive industry will be in the hands of those who are audacious enough to implement the best practices of the industry in order to improve the system. However, for the Cybertruck, Tesla has to introduce the service in the cutting-edge way because it has, in the first place, what is rather a high bar set itself. The time alone would decide to stand or fall for the competitors who would want to be contenders in the game of driving technology and the automobile culture. Tesla's revolutionary approach to automotive manufacturing epitomizes a transformative shift within the industry, marked by a trifecta of innovation, efficiency, and transparency. Through the strategic development of cutting-edge technology, meticulous optimization of resources, and an unwavering commitment to quality, Tesla continually redefines the boundaries of what's achievable in automotive manufacturing. Sandy Monroe's insights on the Tesla Cybertruck serve as a testament to not only Tesla's remarkable engineering and manufacturing prowess, but also the potential for disruptive innovation to reshape entire industries. As Tesla pushes the envelope of innovation forward, it serves as a catalyst for other automakers to elevate their game, ensuring competitiveness in an increasingly electrified and tech-driven future. You've reached the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video.